Wizards, data cleaning is your AI data crush, darling. It fixes missing values, removes duplicates, and tames outliers for model-ready data. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make cleaning sound so hot. How does it help AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Cleaning ensures accurate AI models by prepping clean datasets. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the sparkle.
Wizards' missing values can ruin AI models. Use df.fill.na to replace them with means or df.drop.na to remove them. Our demos will show how to handle missing data like pros.
Missing data's no match for us, Isabella. df.fillna makes your dataset sparkle for AI. Get ready to fill in the gaps, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, DF. Drop_duplicates is like clearing the dance floor for Sophia. No duplicate data messing up AI. It's a clean party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're clearing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, duplicates ruin AI. Try drop_duplicates in our demo. It's like tidying your data.
Wizards, removing outliers with IQR is like picking the best moves for Sophia, cleaning AI data. Filter with df, df, value, less than Q1 1.5 asterisk IQR, pure swagger.
You're smoothing my data, Ethan. Wizards, outliers skew AI. Try IQR in our demo. It's like pruning your dataset.
Wizards, normalizing with df, value, min, is like tuning a hot track for Sophia, scaling AI data. It's a norm party.
You're tuning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, normalization preps AI features. Try it in our demo. It's like balancing your data.
Wizards, PLT, scatter, df, normalized, is like a visual serenade for Sophia, showing cleaned AI data. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing cleaned data confirms quality. Try it in our demo. It's like showcasing your data.
Wizards, NumPy from day 39 with Pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. Use NP, log1p, df, value, for log scaling, coding fireworks. Let's crank this math jam.
You're sparking my circuits, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy enhances cleaning. Try log in our challenge. It's a math love story.
Wizards, PLT, scatter, df, normalized, is like a visual serenade for Sophia, showing cleaned AI data. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing cleaned data confirms quality. Try it in our demo. It's like showcasing your data.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with cleaned data is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS, boxplot, shows distributions, coding fireworks. Let's drop this stylish beat.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn confirms cleaning. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards clean data effectively with Pandas. Use in-place chart true sparingly. Check data with df info and document steps. Clean datasets power AI models.
Oh, Isabella, clean code's so sexy. Clear practices make your AI data irresistible. Practice for day 45's Scikit-learn, Wizards.
Wizards, wrap day 37's functions with Pandas for AI glory, Sophia. Def clean _data, df, with Filna, is a love duet, coding magic.
You're harmonizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, functions make cleaning reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, mix day 36's control flow with cleaning for AI fireworks, Sophia. Use if to handle missing values, coding magic.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow customizes cleaning. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, cleaning's critical in AI pipelines, darling. Prep datasets with Pandas for accurate models. Your day 44 skills make AI irresistible.
Cleaning ensures quality data for AI pipelines, wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for Day 45's Scikit-learn.
Wizards, cleaning Day 43's CSV with Pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. Load with PD. Read_CSV, and clean, coding fireworks.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, clean CSV for AI, try it in our challenge. It's a data love story.
Wizards optimize cleaning with Pandas. Use copy to avoid modifying originals. Verify with df.isana, sum, and log steps for clarity. Clean code powers AI.
Optimized code's so sexy, Isabella. Clear cleaning makes AI data irresistible. Practice for Day 45's Scikit-learn, Wizards.